Hey guys, I hope you're all well and staying blessed. In today's episode, I'm going to be speaking about how trading is so overwhelming. I feel like this isn't spoken about enough. I feel like you see a couple of tweets here and there, and people that have gone in drawdown, they've blown accounts, they've lost money, and 90% of those people will walk away from trading and say that trading is a scam. But now, for the other 10% of people that stay and they stick through the hard times, because trust me, most of the people I know that have got successful with trading, they've been trading for years and then their success comes. And with the um, failures, you will lose money. If you're with prop firms, you will blow challenges. If you have your own money and your own broker, you will have times where you just leave your stop loss off and you're just literally in drawdown, in drawdown, in drawdown. Before you know it, you've blown accounts. And that's a whole nother conversation for another day, where you may be using like an offshore broker and you're risking way more than what you should be. And there's just so many things in the risk parameter area. But the reason I wanted to do the topic on trading is overwhelming is because if you know me and you've been here for a while, I keep it real on this channel. And I don't know why I need to get my eyelashes done, but that one eyelash is just really irritating me. I keep it real on this channel. I tell you guys when I've been in drawdown. I tell you guys if I've taken a loss, if I've taken a win. I screenshot, and I don't just screenshot positive days. I screenshot bad and good days, and I post it on Twitter and I post it on here. And the reason I wanted to make this video today is because I had to put a pause on my trading. Like, I've been trading, if you don't know, US 30 recently. And that motorbike was so loud. I don't know if the microphone's picking it up, but anyway. I am solely usually a GJ and UJ girl, but GJ just didn't really stick to my analysis, and I was just kind of tired of both of them. I'm not going to lie, and I just thought, you know what, US 30 looks nice. A lot of people transition from GJ to UJ to US 30. I've also got a few friends that also trade US 30 as well, and I thought, you know what, the best thing for me to do is try and learn. So I was learning how to trade US 30 with a 100k prop firm challenge, which I took my time with. Obviously, I took losses because it's completely different. Even like its contract sizes, it's completely different, right? So I was like, let me get a 100k account. I'll use it. I'll trade it slow. I will take my time, right? Past phase one, literally 1% away from passing phase two, and then I lost about 5k, which is ridiculous. Actually, this is a 200k, not 100k. I was learning on 100k, got passed, got funded, requested a payout. They denied my payout. 200k, we go again. Then, yeah, this happened. I was 1% away from passing phase two, and then obviously on my way to get payout. And I stupidly was like, do you know what? I just want to quickly make this money so I can just pass today. This was last week Friday, and today is Wednesday. I was like, I just want to quickly pass so I can just, like, that's my achievement for the week done. And that is the worst thing you can do as a trader. Chase the profits. And I say this all the time. Don't chase profits. Don't try and force entries and force the markets, because when you do that, very quickly the market will show you why you shouldn't do that. And that's what happened to me. I had a standard lot, and I had two standard lots. I had one lot and a two lot. The two lot I had no stop loss on. I was up both of them, and I was literally about $700 away from passing and getting funded with my 200k account. And then the market dipped, like it literally crashed. And I was like, okay, yeah, this isn't good. And I keep it real, right? So obviously now we're going again. It is what it is. I've also got myself a new FTMO account that I'm going to be trading with US30 on, because obviously I'm transitioning from Forex to indices, so it's completely different. And I feel like this is better suited for me, and I've made way more profits on my personal, and with the less trades and better entries with US30. So that's why I like it. And it's volatile, but in the right way. And also, if you are wrong with your trade, it's not like GJ where you can get wicked out and then it will go in your direction. Like when it wicks, it wicks and it doesn't go to that area, kind of thing. I'll have to do a US30 breakdown actually. Let me know if you want to see a US30 breakdown. And obviously I still will trade GJ and UJ, but it's just not going to be my main pair anymore. US30 is going to be the main instrument I trade. So being overwhelmed as a trader is not spoken about enough, because I was so overwhelmed. I was like, oh my gosh, why did I do that to myself? But I quickly learned, and what it's made me learn from that is there is no rush, and there actually isn't no rush when it comes to trading. I don't know why I was so stupid to do that, because that's just not like me. That's not my nature. I've actually been working so hard on patience as a trader and in my general life. So for me to do that was just outrageous. To be honest, I should have just left the trade running. I didn't even need to put another position on. Ridiculous of me, honestly. And it's not like I put another position on and I put it in an area where market is creating structure. I just put a position on for the sake of it, and that is the worst thing you can do as a trader. So take that lesson from me. Don't just put place trades on the market and think I'm gonna make money, because you will lose money really quick. That's one thing. Being overwhelmed from taking losses and nearly passing challenges, and then something happens and it's now the complete opposite. But another thing is getting scammed. And I want to bring this up because I didn't get scammed, but I did get scammed. I was with a company called IMO Academy. I don't know if they're still called IMO Academy, but basically they're a full-on marketing scheme. They tell you that they're going to teach you how to trade and make millions, sell you a whole dream, especially when you're new to the space. So it's how like 90% of people come into the space, unfortunately. There's 100 different educators on there. They're telling you to watch all of these lives. Then you're watching different strategies, and it's so confusing. A lot of people think trading is a scam when you lose money, or you come into trading and you unfortunately come in through a marketing scheme, or you know someone that's trying to scam you and take your money. Now, there's a lot of accounts out there that are pretending to be me on TikTok, on Twitter, on Instagram, and it's a shame. Like it's awful, because I don't want to be out there and then someone comes up to me and like attacks me and says you took 70 grand off me. Like, no, absolutely not. And one thing I want to say is, if you do follow my social media, any of my social medias are going to be in my link tree. Like, they're not going to be anywhere else. I have 3 TikToks. I don't know if all 3 TikToks are in my link tree, but I have one that's like photo dumps, and I'm going to be doing trading content on there. I have one that's like me doing EastEnders reviews, and I have one of me and my daughter, and that's old. We don't use that no more. Instagram, I have my major Instagram. I have a private Instagram that no one has access to. I also have an Instagram I've just started where it has quotes. Twitter, I have the same. I have my Twitter, and I have a Twitter where I have quotes. And that is it. I'll put them all in my link tree. Please do not ever take money from someone that's pretending to be me and then blame me, because it happens all the time, and it's so disheartening, because I don't want that image for myself, and I've been scammed before, and it's not nice. And the one thing I'm gonna say on this topic is, if someone comes to you and says, "Can you give me money?" and you choose to do that, I'm sorry, but you're an idiot, because why would you give anyone money to trade for you? If you want to be a trader, you will learn how to trade. On top of that, if you want to make money from trading, signals is not the way, because you're now putting your finances in someone else's hands. And now their risk might be different to you. They might have more money to lose. They are in a different position to you. Like, it's just, no. So that's that. And Another thing is, a lot of people sell things, sell courses and stuff, and that's fine. If they've got a good course, fine. But be mindful that a lot of courses are regurgitated information, especially from baby pips. If it's simple and basic, and then you go and buy the next upgrade and the next, like, you're silly. You just need to do your research, look at the reviews, talk to people in the industry, and do never send anyone your money. Never. And if you are going to and something seems promising and it seems legit, ask for a one-to-one call with them. And don't pay for that one-to-one call if they want you to invest. If if there's anything to do with money, you need to be so mindful, because money can really break or make you as a person. And if you don't have money and then you're trying to give it to someone to invest for you and it goes wrong, you're going to hate that person. And on top of hating that person, you're going to hate yourself. And then you're going to think trading's a scam. You're going to think the world's against you. You're going to think you've got the worst luck in the world, but actually you just didn't read the signs. And unfortunately, that is how trading goes. That is how the cookie crumbles 90% of the time. A lot of people come in it through being scammed, or they get overwhelmed, they take losses, they blow challenges, they blow accounts, and then they walk away and they say trading is a scam. There's no room to make money. You need to just see past the struggles, because there are a lot of struggles, and that is just two of them that I've spoke about. And I've got loads of videos talking about all of the struggles. Be careful of this stuff when you start trading. Go through my videos. I've got so many videos about all of this stuff. Just focus on your journey. It doesn't matter how long it takes you to get there. It doesn't matter if it takes you 10 years or 5 weeks or 6 months. It actually doesn't matter. The best thing that you could do is just slowly take your time, because when you take your time, things are going to flourish for you so much more. And yeah, that is literally the basis of this video. I just wanted to say, feeling overwhelmed is normal. It's so normal in trading, because I felt a little bit overwhelmed on the weekend because I just done a stupid mistake. But we make mistakes. I'm not going to be someone that's going to sit here and say I'm a perfect trader. I only get profits. I can flip $1 to a million. Like, it's unrealistic. We all go through struggles, and it's about not walking away and saying trading's a scam. And then also being mindful of the scams that are out there. Also, I'm doing different videos now. Like, obviously, I normally do them at home. They're more like sit down, break down videos, or like chart setups and stuff like that, or like learning videos. But these, like, pure thoughts, me talking to the camera in my car, I'm really feeling them. Let me know if you are too, and I will continue to do these type of videos, whether it be once a week, and then I do like a proper breakdown video, psychology video, and then I also do like a chart video. Let me know. Let me know down below videos you want to see, any topics you want me to speak about. Um, and yeah, I hope you all have a blessed day. And remember, do not give up. If you've clicked this video and you've made it this far and you've listened to everything I've said, drop a heart down below, because I know you're a real one and I know you're going to be successful. Even if trading seems hard right now, do not give up. Don't give up. I'm 5 years deep and my 4th year was my best year. Don't give up, okay? Just don't. I hope you all have a good day and a great week. Thank you. Stay blessed and take care. Peace.